Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. First of all, as you guys can tell, my hair is a lot shorter than it was last time we spoke, or last time that you watched me or whatever. I'm trying to grow my hair out, but at first I need to cut off all the shit on the ends of it, and I want this broken stuff on top here to actually catch up with the rest. So my plan is to wash it less, use heat products on it less, and yeah, hopefully eventually I'll be able to have longer hair. And I'm also taking biotin, so hopefully that'll help. Anyways, today I am finally opening my Boxycharm. Happy New Year, you guys. It's 2021 now. I used to get Boxycharm like 2 years ago, and I would get it every month. I would even do the Boxy Luxe. And then I just stopped getting it. I ended up getting an overload of so much makeup that I took a break from it. So I finally ordered it again. And yeah, here's my first box back. So I'm excited to open it. I've obviously already actually opened it and looked at it myself. I'm just finally getting around to recording it. So anyways, happy January 2021. Let's open my Boxycharm that I got. So this is the first one back, and I'll show you guys what I got in here. So the first item I was super happy about was the Huda Beauty. This is the Amethyst Obsessions palette. It's a little palette right here. By the way, this is the December box. So I haven't got January yet, obviously, but this is my December box. And it's $25 a month. I think when I had it a couple years ago, it was $21 a month. So I think they upped it like $4. Tell me if I'm wrong on that. But I believe it was 21 in the past. I don't know, I could be completely wrong. Anyways, I got this palette. I wanted it so bad, you guys, and I got it, so I'm so excited. I did my eyes with it, and I did it really fast. So I don't know how great it looks up close. But anyways, on to the next item that came in my box, which actually is what's on my lips. I don't necessarily love it, but it is what it is. This is MAC lipstick in the color Chili. And so I put this on. They don't really go together, but you know, that's what's up. It matches my hair, so if I had like a different eyeshadow on, I feel like that would look pretty good. But with this eyeshadow, no. Next is Eloise. This is a liquid eyeshadow. It's called Pure Gold, and it kind of looks like a little fingernail polish. It's super cute. And then it just has a little applicator like that. Super adorable, pretty, glittery. Do you guys see that? That's really nice. I'll have to use that. I could just pop it like the center of my eyeballs there. This lighting is so bad, you guys. I need to get better lighting. Anyways, that's cute. I could even do it like underneath, but I'll pause on that for the moment. So the next in here is mascara, which again, I love Tarte Mascara. I used to work at Sephora. This was my favorite brand that they sold. So this is the Tarte Mascara. This one is Man Eater. I do have this one on right now. I don't love this one in particular, but it does have a nice applicator. It has like the, they're like the hard little bristles instead of like the soft ones. So that is this little guy right here. What else do we have? Oh, you guys, it was like a 2-for-1 with this box. So it came with the Baby Girl. These are eyelashes. And then it came with the actual, they're magnetic by the way. So it came with the eyeliner that's magnetic. So this is Glamnetic Liquid Magnetic Eyeliner. And then these are the Glamnetic Baby Girl eyelashes. I did put these on and they're way too big for my eyelashes. So I need to, I think, cut them a little bit shorter lengthwise and widthwise, I guess, to make them actually look better on me. But anyways, I did try it out and it stuck pretty darn good. I might have to put a little bit more liner on next time before I put them on. But so far it seems pretty good. The value on this was like $65, I want to say. So that's a really good deal to come in Boxycharm when you paid 25 bucks for it. I think the mascara was probably 24. I want to say this was around 30. MAC lipstick I think runs about, let me know if I'm wrong, but I would say 19. This I think was probably about 30. Oh, and then since I am back now with Boxycharm, I used a different email. I don't even know what email I used in the first place, but it wasn't the one apparently that I had my account with. So they did send me a free eyeshadow. I used a code for it and I can put it down below. I think the code was Breakfast for All or something like that. So this is a really cute palette. It's Beauty, I've never heard of this brand. Beauty Bakery, and this one's Breakfast in Bed eyeshadow palette. This one has some really pretty purples in it. Kind of like a maroon. So yeah, this is really nice. I think this had like a $35 value, I want to say too, maybe even $39. So all in all, you guys, I got a lot of really good stuff for my first box back. So I'm super excited. Haven't decided if I want to do Boxy Luxe yet or not. But yeah, let me know what you guys got in your box, or if you've already gotten your January box now. I do not know. I'm filming this really late. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video.